Welcome back to Silicophilic. I was editing a Microsoft Word document that contained several pictures. Everything had been working perfectly, but suddenly instead of my images, I only saw empty boxes. Some pictures showed a red cross, others were replaced by blank placeholders. At first I thought my document was corrupted, but after trying several fixes, I found the real cause. If your images are missing in Microsoft Word and you are only seeing empty boxes or red cross placeholders, here are the working solutions that helped me. Let's get started. Change the picture insert option. Sometimes Word inserts pictures using a layout option that doesn't display correctly. Open Word, click File. Select Options, go to Advanced, scroll to the Cut, Copy and Paste section. Locate Insert or Paste Pictures as. Change it to Tight and click OK. Now insert your image again. Enable drawings and text boxes. Word can also hide pictures if the option to display drawings is disabled. Open File, go to Options, select Advanced. Scroll to Show Document Content. Make sure Show Drawings and Text Boxes on the screen is enabled. Click OK. If this option is turned off, images, shapes, smart art, and text boxes may disappear from your document. Switch to Print Layout View. Sometimes the pictures are actually there, but the current document view doesn't display them properly. Go to the View tab, select Print Layout or Web Layout. If you were using Draft View or another layout, your images may immediately reappear. Print Layout is the recommended view when editing documents containing pictures. Turn on Print Drawings created in Word. Sometimes Word is configured not to display or print certain drawings and pictures correctly. Enabling the Print Drawings created in Word option can help restore missing images, especially if they appear in print preview but not in the document. Here is how to enable it. Open Microsoft Word, click File, then select Options. In the left pane, click Display. Scroll down to the Printing Options section. Make sure Print Drawings created in Word is checked. Click OK to save the changes. Now reopen your document and check whether the missing images appear correctly. If the problem still persists, move on to the next method. Turn off Use Draft Quality. If Word is using draft quality for printing, some pictures, graphics and objects may not display or print correctly. Disabling this option ensures that Word renders your images properly. Here is how to do it. Open Microsoft Word, click File, then select Options. In the left pane, click Advanced. Scroll down to the Print section. Look for Use Draft Quality. If it's enabled, uncheck the box. Click OK to save the changes. Now reopen your document or check Print Preview to see if your pictures are displayed correctly. If the images are still missing, continue with the next method. Repair Microsoft Office. If images are missing from every document, your Office installation may be damaged. Press Windows +I, open Apps, select Installed Apps. Find Microsoft Office, click the three-dot menu, choose Modify or Change. Run Quick Repair first. If the issue continues, run Online Repair. After the repair finishes, restart your computer and open Word again. Check if the document is corrupted. If only one Word document has missing pictures while every other document works normally, the document itself may be damaged. Create a new blank document, copy everything from the old document except the final paragraph mark. Paste it into the new document, save it with a new name. Many hidden formatting problems disappear after rebuilding the document. So, if Microsoft Word is showing empty boxes instead of your pictures, don't assume your images are gone. In most cases, it's simply a display setting or a document configuration issue. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Silicophilic for more Microsoft Office tutorials, Windows tips and easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next video.